Emma here. So today I'm going to be doing a video on magnet fishing. I've been doing magnet fishing for the past few days, so I've got a lot of shots from 3 different places. I've got a lot of stuff. I got a really good magnet from Amazon. It's really great. It can hold about 40 kilos and it's really great. So yeah, let's get on with the video. I've tied a rope around my waist so I don't lose it, because I do lose a lot of things. And let's check it in. Last time I tried a magnet fish, I got something stuck to the floor of the canal and it couldn't get it off, and it was really hard. What do we got? That's some sort of red weed sort of thing. Let's see. Piggy's here with my sidekick. If you hear some dogs, our boat's moored up there, and Podge, a bit of a separation anxiety dog, so he howls quite a lot. disgusting. I know what this thing is. I know, Biggie, you wanna smell? It smells like it. Oh, you're so cute. I also managed to find off camera this little bolt nail screw. I don't really know what it is. It's too like grimy to screw sort of thing. It's a bit hard to tell because it's so mucky, but
yeah, it's video. Oh. When you see a square, that means it's video.
sorry. It was pretty. Braxton stopped filming, but then I actually got something. So here it is. Oh, flip, okay, flip. Okay. I don't even know what this is. It's like some sort of pokey, stabby thing. Weird, but cool. There's all the stuff I got out of the water. I got this weird sort of metal thing, but it looks kind of cool. Then I got this kind of like skewer. I think it's kind of like a pokey fire skewer thing that you put your fire, like a campfire with, because there's some holiday boaters that actually did have had a fire, so this could have been theirs. Then I got this thing. I don't even know what this is, but it's magnetic at the bottom, and I actually don't know what it is. Then last I've got actually two bolts of them, but one of them is on the cruiser. I've got two bolts, like screw bolt things. So yeah. Got something. I've got this right here. It looks like a mooring pin. I don't really know what it is, but it kind of looks like a mooring pin. So yeah, on to the next find. Oh, I got this weird wheelie sort of thing. I've got this. I actually don't know what this is technically. I think it's off like the side of a mooring. I got a coat hanger. This weird pole thing that's actually quite light. A tire. A kind of like a mooring pin thing. A big long pole. A very flimsy lantern, two pans, scrap metal, and you saw that in the other haul. Yeah, that's kind of like all I got. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video and what would you like to see next. See you later. Bye.